Hello guys, welcome to this session. Today we are going to discuss questions on Arab and Turkish invasion in the medieval history. So if any guy is visiting the channel for the first time, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So let us start with the first question. The question is, who was the first Muslim to invade India? A option is Mahmud Ghaznavi, B option is Muhammad Ghori, C option is Muhammad bin Qasim and D option is Alauddin Khilji. So right answer is option C, that is Muhammad bin Qasim. Next question is, what was the main reason of attack on India by the Arabians? A option is social reform, B option is spreading Islam, C option is looting riches and wealth, and D option is both B and C. So right answer is option D, that is both B and C. Next question is, when did Muhammad bin Qasim invade India? A option is 647, B option is 712, C option is 700 and D option is 980. So right answer is option B, that is 712. Next question is, on whose order did Muhammad bin Qasim invade India? A option is Balban, B option is Munim Khan, C option is Hazaz bin Yusuf and D option is none of these. So right answer is option C, that is Hazaz bin Yusuf. And who was this person? So he was the governor of Baghdad. Next question is, Muhammad bin Qasim, who was the first Muslim to have successfully invaded Sindh in 712 AD, was commander of which caliphate? तो यहाँ पर पूछा जा रहा है दैट मोहम्मद बिन कासिम वाज द कमांडर ऑफ विच खलीफत. So let me see the options. A option is Rashidun Khalifat, B option is Umayyad Khalifat, C option is Abbasid Khalifat, and D option is Fatimid Khalifat. So right answer is option B, that is Umayyad Khalifat. Next question is, who was the ruler of Sindh when Muhammad bin Qasim invaded India? A option is Raja Dahir, B option is Vijalaya, C option is Jaipala, and D option is none of these. So right answer is option A, that is Raja Dahir, and Raja Dahir was Hindu king. Next question is, which battle was fought between Muhammad bin Qasim and Dahir, the ruler of Sindh? So A option is Battle of Rivar, B option is Battle of Sindh, C option is Battle of Arab, D option is none of these. गाइस हमने प्रीवियसली डिस्कस किया दैट व्हेन मोहम्मद बिन कासिम इन्वेड करते हैं सिंध के ऊपर तो वहाँ का जो हिंदू रूलर था उनका नाम था दाहिर. जो उनके बीच में बैटल लड़ा गया था उस बैटल को क्या नाम दिया गया है? सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज बैटल ऑफ रिवार. एंड इन दिस बैटल क्या होता है, दाहिर लॉस्ट द बैटल एंड सिंध के ऊपर कब्जा हो जाता है मोहम्मद बिन कासिम का. आफ्टर दैट मोहम्मद बिन कासिम मुल्तान को भी कैप्चर कर लेते हैं. एंड वन मोर पॉइंट दैट कि मोहम्मद बिन कासिम कॉल्स Multan as the city of gold. Next question is, which book describes the Arab invasion of Sindh for the very first time? जो अरब इन्वेजन हुआ था सिंध का उसको कौन सी बुक में डिस्क्राइब किया गया है? सो ए ऑप्शन इज अकबरनामा, बी ऑप्शन इज बाबरनामा, सी ऑप्शन इज किताबुल हिंद एंड डी ऑप्शन इज शशनामा. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज शशनामा, एंड दिस बुक इज रिटन इन अरेबिक लैंग्वेज. Next question is, who was the first Turk to invade India? Now we will discuss about the Turkish invasion. Okay, so who was the first Turk? So let me see the option. A option is Muhammad Ghori, B option is Qutbuddin Aibak, C option is Muhammad bin Qasim, and D option is Muhammad Ghazni. So right answer is option D, that is Muhammad Ghazni. Muhammad Ghazni was the first Turk to invade India and the second Muslim to invade India. Okay, first Muslim was Muhammad bin Qasim. Okay. Next question is, who founded the Ghaznavid dynasty? A option is Ibrahim, B option is Alptizin, C option is Sebuktigin, and D option is Mahmud Ghaznavi. So right answer is option C, that is Sebuktigin. Sebuktigin was the founder of Ghaznavid dynasty, and this Sebuktigin was the successor of Alptizin, who was the ruler of Ghazna. Ghazna is a place in Afghanistan. Okay. Next question is, who was the first Turk to assume the title of Sultan? A option is Mahmud Ghaznavi, B option is Ziauddin Barani, C option is Qutbuddin Aibak, and D option is Muhammad Ghori. So right answer is option A, that is Mahmud Ghaznavi. And Mahmud Ghaznavi was the son of Sebuktigin, who led the foundation of Ghazni dynasty in Afghanistan. Next question is, with which title did the Khalifa of Baghdad Al-Qadir Billah conferred on Mahmud Ghaznavi? So A option is Yamin ud-Dawla, B option is Yamin ul-Milla, C option is both A and B, and D option is none of these. So right answer is option C, that is both A and B. जो बगदाद का खलीफा था जिनका नाम था अल कादिर बिल्ला, उन्होंने महमूद गजनवी को टाइटल दिए थे यामिन उद दौला एंड यामिन उल मिल्ला का। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु वाज द फर्स्ट इंडियन रूलर टू फेस द इन्वर्जन ऑफ महमूद गजनवी। कौन से पहले इंडियन रूलर थे जिन्होंने फेस किया था महमूद गजनवी का अटैक। सो ए ऑप्शन है जयचंद, बी ऑप्शन इज विजयलाया, सी ऑप्शन इज जयपाला एंड डी ऑप्शन इज नन ऑफ दिस। सो राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज जयपाला। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मेनी टाइम्स डिड महमूद गजनवी इन्वेडेड इंडिया। दिस क्वेश्चन इज इंपॉर्टेंट वन। जो टोटल अटैक किए गए थे महमूद गजनवी के द्वारा इंडिया पर वो कितने थे। So A option is 7, B option is 17, C option is 13 and D option is 25. So the total raids done by Mahmud Ghaznavi on India were 17 from the year 1000 AD to 1027 AD. Okay. Next question is Mahmud Ghaznavi attacked Thaneshwar in which year? A option is 1007, B option is 1014, C option is 1017 and D option is 1023. So right answer is option B, that is 1014 AD. And Thaneshwar is a place in Haryana. Next question is who was the first Muslim ruler to invade North India? A option is Mahmud Ghori, B option is Qutbuddin Aibak, C option is Mahmud Ghaznavi and D option is Muhammad bin Qasim. So right answer is option C, that is Mahmud Ghaznavi. Next question is Battle of Wahin fought between Mahmud Ghaznavi and which Hindu ruler? A option is Vidyadhar Rao, B option is Jayapala, C option is Dahir and D option is Bhima I. So Battle of Wahin was fought between Mahmud Ghazni and the Jayapala. Jayapala was the ruler of Punjab and his capital at Wahin. And there were two Battle of Wahin, that is first Battle of Wahin and second Battle of Wahin. जो फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ वाइन था वो लड़ा गया था महमूद गजनवी एंड जयपाला के बीच में, जिसमें जयपाला जो है लॉस्ट द बैटल एंड आफ्टर दैट ही किल्ड हिमसेल्फ। लेटर ऑन सेकंड बैटल ऑफ वाइन होता है और इसको लड़ा जाता है महमूद गजनवी एंड अनंतपाला के बीच में। एंड वो वाज अनंतपाला, सो ही वाज द सन ऑफ जयपाला who lost the first battle of Wain. Okay. Next question is when did Mahmud Ghaznavi attack the temple of Somnath? This question is very important. So A option is 1015, B option is 1017, C option is 1025 AD and D option is 1021 AD. So right answer is option C, that is 1025 AD, that is Mahmud Ghaznavi attacked the temple of Somnath in the year 1025 AD में। Next question is which Chandela ruler defeated Mahmud of Ghazni? A option is Prithvi Varman, B option is Bhoja Varman and C option is Jaya Shakti and D option is Vidyadhar. So right answer is option D, that is Vidyadhar. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज who was the ruler of Gujarat when Mahmud Ghaznavi attacked सोमनाथ। हमने प्रीवियसली डिस्कस किया कि महमूद गजनवी अटैक करते हैं सोमनाथ टेम्पल पे जो कि है गुजरात में और ये एक शिव टेम्पल है। इसमें वो अटैक करते हैं इन द 1025 AD में। ओके, सो उस टाइम उस पर रूलर गुजरात का रूलर कौन था। सो योर ए ऑप्शन इज मूल राजा, बी ऑप्शन इज भीमा 1, सी ऑप्शन इज भीमा 2 एंड डी ऑप्शन इज जयचंद। सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज भीमा 1. ओके, एट दिस टाइम महमूद गजनवी प्लंडर्ड एंड डिस्ट्रॉयड द सोमनाथ टेम्पल। फिर लेटर ऑन क्या होता है दैट दिस टेम्पल वॉज रिनोवेटेड और रीबिल्ड बाय द परमरा डिनेस्टी किंग भोजा ऑफ मालवा एंड द सोलंकी किंग भीम देवा फर्स्ट ऑफ अनिलवाड़ा इन द ईयर 1025 and 1042. Okay. Next question is which was the last invasion on India by the Mahmud Ghaznavi? I told you earlier that Mahmud Ghaznavi total attacks on India were 17 from the year 1000 AD to 1027 AD. Okay, so what was his last invasion? So let me see the option. First option is invasion on Mathura, B option is attacks on Chandelas, C option is attack on Jats and D option is Somnath expedition. So right answer is option C, that is attack on Jats in the year 1027 AD. Okay. Here I mentioned some of the important attacks of Mahmud Ghaznavi on India, which is important from the exam point of view. So you can pause the video and read out this thoroughly. Okay. Let me move further. Next question is which of the following historian who came to India with Mahmud of Ghazni? So A option is Utbi, B is Firdausi, C option is Al-Baruni and D option is all of these. So right answer is option D, that is all of these. These all historians came with the Mahmud Ghaznavi in India. लेट वी डिस्कस सम ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट बुक्स ऑफ दिस हिस्टोरियन। सो अगर हम बात करें उत्बी की, जो इम्पोर्टेंट बुक है वो आपको याद रखनी है किताब आई यामिनी, और इसको लिखा गया है इन अरेबियन लैंग्वेज। नेक्स्ट जो हिस्टोरियन है वो है फिरदौसी, एंड इनकी जो आपको बुक याद रखनी है वो है शाहनामा। शाहनामा में बेसिकली एपिक पोइम लिखी गई है महमूद गजनवी के ऊपर बाय द फिरदौसी, और इसको लिखा गया है पर्शियन लैंग्वेज में। नेक्स्ट है अल-बिरूनी। अल-बिरूनी की जो इम्पोर्टेंट बुक है वो है किताबुल हिंद, और इसको लिखा गया है अरेबियन लैंग्वेज में। गाइस, लैंग्वेज इज नॉट दैट मच इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट आपको एटलीस्ट जो है ये हिस्टोरियन और इनकी जो ये वाली बुक्स हैं ये आपको याद रखनी है, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हेन डिड महमूद गजनवी डाइड? ए ऑप्शन इज 1027 AD, बी ऑप्शन इज 1030, सी ऑप्शन इज 1040, एंड डी ऑप्शन इज 1033 AD। तो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज 1030 AD में जो है महमूद गजनवी डाइड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु फाउंडेड द टर्किश एम्पायर इन इंडिया? ए ऑप्शन इज कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक, बी ऑप्शन इज मोहम्मद गौरी, सी ऑप्शन इज महमूद गजनवी, एंड डी ऑप्शन इज मोहम्मद बिन कासिम। So right answer is option B, that is Muhammad Ghori. And Muhammad Ghori was the third Muslim to invade India. Okay, first Turk to invade India was Mahmud Ghaznavi, but who led the foundation of Turkish Empire in India? So that was Muhammad Ghori. Okay, next question is who led the foundation of Islamic rule in India? A option is Arab, B option is Turk, C option is Mongol, and D option is Indo-Greek. So right answer is option B, that is Turk. Next question is when did Muhammad Ghori attack India for the first time? A option is 1163 AD, B option is 1170, C option is 1175, and D option is 1191. So right answer is option C, that is 1175 AD. And who was Muhammad Ghori? So he was the ruler of Ghor in Afghanistan. Ghor is a place in Afghanistan, and he ruled over the Ghurid Empire. Okay. Next question is after which battle was Muhammad Ghori established Muslim power in India? A option is first battle of Tarain, B option is battle of Chandawar, C option is second battle of Tarain, and D option is attack on Multan. So right answer is option C, that is second battle of Tarain. Next question is Muhammad Ghori was first defeated by which of the following rulers? A option is Jaichand, B option is Dharampal, C option is Prithvi Raj III, and D option is Bhima II. So right answer is option D, that is Bhima II. And Bhima II was the king of Solanki and Chalukya dynasty of Gujarat, and he defeated the Muhammad Ghori in the year 1178 AD. Next question is who defeated Sultan Muhammad Ghori in the year 1191? A option is Prithviraj III, B option is Prithviraj Raja first, C option is Rajendra first, and D option is Raman Raja second. So right answer is option A, that is Prithviraj III, and he is also known as Prithviraj Chauhan. Next question is when was the second battle of Tarain fought? A option is 1178 AD, B option is 1192 AD, C option is 1186 AD, and D option is 1194 AD. So right answer is option B, that is 1192 AD. Next question is which ruler of Garhwal dynasty was defeated by Muhammad Ghori in the Battle of Chandawar? A option is Chandradeva, B option is Harish Chandra, C option is Jai Chandra, and D option is Govind Chandra. So right answer is option C, that is Jai Chandra. And the Battle of Chandawar fought in the year 1194 AD. अगर हम बात करें गढ़वाल डायनेस्टी की, सो जो इसके फाउंडर थे वो थे चंद्रदेवा, एंड ही लेड द फाउंडेशन ऑफ दिस गढ़वाल डायनेस्टी इन द ईयर 1090 AD. And the Garhwal dynasty ruled over the Kannauj region. Okay. Next question is who was the Turkish general who conquered Bihar, Bengal during the reign of Muhammad Ghori? A option is Yaldoz, B option is Bakhtiyar Khilji, C option is Qutbuddin Aibak, and D option is Kubacha. So right answer is option B, that is Bakhtiyar Khilji. And who was Bakhtiyar Khilji? So he was the military general of Qutbuddin Aibak. Okay. Next question is Bakhtiyar Khalji annexed Bihar and Bengal by overthrowing which of the following dynasty? A option is Pala dynasty, B option is Sena dynasty, C option is Karnataka dynasty, D option is Chola dynasty. So right answer is option B, that is Sen dynasty. And at that time जो Sen dynasty के जो ruler थे वो थे लक्ष्मी सेन. Okay. Next question is the Buddhist universities of Nalanda and Vikramshila in Bihar were destroyed during the invasion of. A option is Mahmud of Ghazni, B option is Muhammad Ghori, C option is Bakhtiyar Khilji, and D option is Ali Madan Khalji. So right answer is option B, that is Bakhtiyar Khilji, and he destroyed the Nalanda and Vikramshila University in the year 1193 AD. This year is also important, so please remember it. Okay. Next question is, when did Muhammad Ghori died? So A option is 1194 AD, B option is 1210 AD, C option is 1199, and D option is 1206 AD. So right answer is option D, that is 1206 AD. तो गाइज मोहम्मद गौरी से जो है आपको बेसिकली जो है 3 बैटल याद रखने हैं, दैट इज फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ तराइन, सेकंड बैटल ऑफ तराइन एंड द बैटल ऑफ चंदावत, जो होता है 1194 एडी में। ठीक है, जो बैटल ऑफ तराइन होते हैं वो होते हैं 1191 एडी में एंड 1192 एडी में। जो फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ तराइन होता है, दोनों ही बैटल जो है मोहम्मद गौरी एंड पृथ्वीराज चौहान के बीच में होते हैं। जो फर्स्ट बैटल होता है उसमें पृथ्वीराज चौहान डिफीट करते हैं मोहम्मद गौरी को, बट लेट सेकंड बैटल ऑफ पानीपत में मोहम्मद गौरी जो है विजय हासिल करते हैं। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, who among the following was the commander of Muhammad Ghori and also founded the slave dynasty in India? A option is Iltutmish, B option is Ghiyasuddin Balban, C option is Aram Shah first, and D option is Qutbuddin Aibak. So right answer is option D, that is Qutbuddin Aibak. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope that you love the session. Please वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कीजिए। हम मिलते हैं किसी नए सेशन में गाइस, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर।